Hello friends, I am Asra Khan and welcome to my channel The Cooking Bird. Today I am going to share the recipe of crispy chili baby corn. This recipe is very simple and easy. You all can try it, so let's get started. The ingredients required are 500 grams of baby corn, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, salt according to your taste and some water. For the gravy we will take 1 sliced onion, 3 to 4 sliced green chilies, 1 diced capsicum, 2 teaspoons sugar, salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon vinegar and 2 to 3 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. At first, we are going to cut our baby corn into 4 parts like this. And then we are going to boil it. So in a pan, add 1 liter of water. And to the water add salt, approx 1 teaspoon. When the water starts boiling, add corn. And let it boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes. When the corns are boiled for 3 to 4 minutes, take them out on a plate and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. When it cools down, add corn flour and all-purpose flour, slowly, not entirely. We will add flour gradually according to our need. Little amount of black pepper powder, it is optional. We will not add salt at this stage because we have already added a little amount of salt while boiling it. Also, if we will add salt at this stage, the corn will lose its moisture and the consistency of the coating will turn liquidy. Adding more flour so that the corn gets coated nicely with the flour. At this point, if you feel that the coating is not proper, you can add a teaspoon of water to it. Right now there is a lot of moisture in my corn, so I am not adding water. You all can see the pieces are coated nicely with the flour, so it's time to deep fry them. In a pan, add good amount of oil, heat it and then start adding corns one by one. Fry it on medium flame until it turns golden in color. When the corn turns golden in color, take them out. For the crispy texture of the baby corn, we are going to fry it for the second time so that it remains crispy for a longer time. This time we are just going to fry it for 30 to 40 seconds, not more than that, because it is already fried. If you will do more than that, you will end up burning it. Also, I want to say that it is not necessary that you have to refry it. You can skip this step if you don't prefer too much fried items. Our corns are fried. At this stage, you can sprinkle a little amount of salt if you want. Since we have not added salt while coating, this is a very good tip, guys. At this stage, the corn will not lose its moisture, so we are free to add salt. Now cover it and just shake it so that the salt gets mixed properly. Our crispy fried corn is ready. Just keep it aside and let's prepare the gravy. So in a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, heat it and then add 1 sliced onion. Saute it for a minute. When it turns light pink in color, add garlic paste. Then add ginger paste, green chilies, capsicum and saute everything for a good 3 to 4 minutes. Then add soya sauce, vinegar, sugar and mix everything nicely. Cook everything on a very low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then add tomato ketchup and mix it. Now take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and to it add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. We are going to add this mixture to our gravy. It will give a slight thicker texture to our gravy. You can add a little amount of water if you want. Our gravy is almost ready. You can add a little amount of salt if you want, because there is a lot of salt in the ketchup, soya sauce and vinegar, so I have not added any salt. Now add your corns to the gravy and toss everything nicely. Make sure that every piece is coated well with the gravy. Our crispy chili baby corn is ready to be served now. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Give this recipe a try and let me know your experience in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video.